Kani kadai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi tak ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Kani kadai ke Kenhon jong ke Proyujuan Group na Guwahati jong ke Jala Assam. Ke company ke bapenya yau ya ki customer discount card. Hakeleng ke Jala jong ke Kathan cetai lamingi. Leng ba ke customer discount card. Kipat ba kila banyo donador haki babon ke jingdon kam jongki lada kila thiet ikimar ki mata kum ki marbam ki tiar kitar bapanot kam hayeng ki jan kinam bat kumjo wat haki jaka sumaru ki balaete bat kan ke company kane ke customer discount card kan tre kampat tang haki petrol pump bat ki dukan dekyan light na kini ar habaro ki dukan balaete bat kan ke company kane ke card kan tre kam habaro ki jela jong kane ke than jete lamingi light no ke jela sikim bat kidukan kiba onyo donador kindai be tek tang kitu kidukan kibala penrong hakathop kerteng jongkani ke company bat tang hakajala Meghalaya kiladan kumba life santli kidukan kibala penrong hakathop kerteng jongka Proyujuan Group bat ya customer discount card la ban thiet hakador khandai spa khandai tingka bat ya kani ke kan la ban penonkam hadu sangot kitkhot jongka wei kalong yeng.
We have a product that is a customer discount card, and the facility of the card is we provide discount in different sectors like hospital, restaurant, parlor, electronics, gym, grocery, pharmacy, laboratory, clothes store, hardware store, everywhere in Northeast. We have tied up with most of the outlets in Northeast. We have already more than 5,000 outlets in Northeast. That is including Assam, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Tripura. We have based from Guwahati. Our original office in Guwahati near Hotel Lily, 6 Mile, and we are opening almost 12 branch offices in entire Northeast. So we have launching in Shillong also. He has taken the initiative, and our zonal manager is there, Mr. Nair. He is taking the initiative in Shillong. He will look after the Meghalaya zone, and he will tell about the project and how to implement the project in Shillong and in other zone of Meghalaya area.
Like customer, he has to invest only one time 1,000 rupees. It's nothing like that. He have to recharge yearly or quarterly. Nothing like that. One time investment of 999 rupees, 999. And with this card, you can use in Guwahati also. Like we have a big tie-up list in Guwahati. If you go through the list, like from very big good hospitals, around 12-15 hospitals, they are providing 10% to 25%. Even some hospitals, they are providing food and accommodation free. And same with medical shops, stationery shops, everywhere they will get, customer will get discount in Guwahati. As well as we have, we launched recently, but we have a tie-up around 30-35 in Shillong also, and this tie-up will increase day by day. Now we are planning after this to introduce to some very good hospitals here, so that customer they can avail in hospital also discounts.
And we have increasing our tie-ups. We have tie-ups in Name Care, Dispur Hospital, Ayushanda, Excel Care. Now we have tie-up with Hyatt Hospital also. Okay, we have increasing our tie-ups in entire Northeast. Okay, mainly in the medical sector.
Even Shillong, like Deja Vu and all that. Deja Vu restaurant, we have tie-up Nicholas Book House in Laimukra, Lights and Decor, in Jiking, Shillong. And let me introduce this Eden restaurant in GS Road. So, we pack the snacks from there only, Eden. And, from Eden, we got, 1,400 rupees discount. That means around 30%.
We have 1,400, we have get 1,400 discount.
That is 30%.
20%.
30% discount.
With this card?
With this card only.
Okay.
So, customers, they can avail wherever we have a tie-up with lots of companies, organizations.
And the plus one is that one card is, it is registered for 5 family members.
5 family members can use.
One of the primary family member and the 4 secondary family members. The card number is registered. It will be registered for the 5 family members. Okay, they can use anywhere in Northeast. In morning time they can use in Shillong. At evening they can use in Guwahati also. In Manipur also, in Mizoram also.
Unlimited
because
times, yeah.
They will get the whole list in website www.proyujangroup.in. Okay, and then they can select the state and they can select the districts also. Okay, because the Meghalaya Shillong list is available in Meghalaya.
Right now we have tie-up around 35. These are the list, and it is increasing day by day. So our executives are working, and I am working here. So we are doing
the office of this company in Shillong?
Office right now it is in Police Bazaar.